How to add your EBT card to sClubApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily add EBT card to your sClubApp. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is simply open up your sClubApp and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are logged in here, you first have to tap on the payment methods option, and then from there you are just going to go ahead and change your payment method. So just click on add a payment card here, and you should be able to see two options. You can add credit or debit card and the EBT card. So simply tap on EBT card. Now you'll have to provide your first name and last name and the card number, and make sure that all of these login credentials should be correct. And once you do that, you should just tap on save and your card will be added to your sClubApp. And that's how you easily add your EBT card to sClubApp. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.